What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to another reaction. Two in a day, double whammy, huh? Well, pretty good. I know. Anyway, the second reaction is gonna be a bit shorter, but with that, I want to give you some context. Apps are certainly an essential part of our daily lives now. When smartphones became a thing, we couldn't believe all the things we would be able to do with them. And the more features that were added, the more incredible they got. And with them, the apps came along. They simply were tools that facilitated certain activities of our daily lives to a very, very high extent. And with apps came the sounds that characterize them and sets them apart from each other. We certainly know quite a few of them and their sounds. But can humans replicate the sounds the apps make? Well, me and you all are about to find out in this installment of What in the World? An acapella group from South Korea uploaded an app sound effect acapella. Let's react together to it, shall we? Is Hangout still a thing? I don't know that one. Leave the answer in the comments bar below. Thank you. Oh, damn. No, I don't know this one either. God, I thought I was a tech savvy, but I don't know shit about this. Sorry about my foul language. Oh, I know this one. I think that one's Skype, right? If I'm not mistaken. Okay, at least I know that one. Okay, next. Oh, no. Snapchat. I do have Snapchat, but it's very inaccessible and it's not blind people friendly. But I know it because my sisters use Snapchat quite constantly, and I've happened to hear that tone very often. Nope. No. I think that's Duo. Google Duo. Nice. Well, they were able to replicate the Skype call in progress tone to the T, so that's good. Man, I feel like a stupid person right now. I couldn't guess some of the tunes to the apps, and I thought I was a tech savvy person. Oh God, I need to consult with my friends again. Yeah. That was awesome though. MayTree app sound effect. I don't know how to say good in Korean, but it was amazing. I love it. I love that so much. MayTree, you're truly an incredible group, and hope to see any more crazy stuff from you so I can include it in What in the World section. If you like this video, comment down below, give me your thumbs up, share it with people that love to see a wacky blind dude reacting to your favorite stuff. Of course, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss one of my reactions. And if you are on your smartphone, go to settings and switch on notifications so you are more informed when my next videos go live. Without further ado, I would love to always thank you for your continuous support. I would be nothing without you. We're at 232 subscribers right now. Let's reach the goal of 300 by whenever. Just make me happier, click that subscribe button, and spread the love. Thank you and see you on the next reaction, you crazy people.